Hello girls, good evening. So get ready with me to bed. And I was looking for my claw clip from Rare Beauty, kaya yan lang muna yung ginamit ko. And brush muna tayo ng teeth before preparing my skincare routine. Galing rin kami sa mall kanina. So yeah, that's my favorite part, yung cleansing using the Innisfree. Ayan, sobrang tipid niyan guys. Pag binili niyo siya, as in kahit konting amount lang, is sobrang mabula, kaya sobrang matipid. Then yan, wash, tap. Magtatap lang kayo guys ha. Huwag niyo i-scrub yung towel. So next is the Round Love toner. Yan, actually toner yan ng anak ko. Yan. Then next is using the Ample and Ampule. Maganda siya girls kasi meron siyang parang mga fiber sa loob. So makikita niyo dyan may mga parang white. Yan. Kung may makikita kayo dyan sa face, may mga white something yan. So yan, ina-absorb yan ng skin ko. Then lalagyan tayo sa neck para matipid. Okay. That. So next is, my favorite part is the moisturizer from Innisfree again. So yan, medyo tinitipid ko na siya guys kasi malapit na siyang maubos. Yan. So just tap on my face, yan, on my forehead, and on my neck also. Yeah. So ganyan lang. To moisturize my skin every day and every night. Yan. So look at that. Paubos na siya. Then yan. This is my fourth day nga pala. For the... Sorry guys. Tumalsik. So yan. That's my fourth day of using that fermentation eye cream from Benton. And parang may development naman, may result. Parang nakita ko na yung result niya sa 4 days na ginagamit ko yung cream. So medyo nawawala yung mga dark circles ko under my eye. So yeah, same with my Honest eyelash serum. So yan, medyo pumasok pa siya sa eyes ko. So yan lang, lalagyan nyo lang siya dahil manipis nga lang. Manipis at maiksi lang yung aking eyelashes. So pwede mo siyang lagyan on top of the eyelashes. Yan. And then, yan. I can also put that on my eyebrows dahil manipis lang naman talaga yung eyebrows ko. So mukha lang siyang makapal kasi parang meron siyang tattoo. I'm not sure kung tattoo ba yung ginawa sa akin. So yeah, look at that. So kung makikita nyo yung pang 4th day na gamit ko ng serum. So yan. Then last is naglalagay rin ako ng chapstick every night kasi sobrang dry ng lips ko girls. And medyo konting amount lang naman. So yeah, so naglalagay rin ako ng Rare Beauty lip oil. So hindi masyadong madami para at least mag-moisturize lang siya. Hindi masyadong dry ang ating lips. So yeah, that's it for today's video. So hopefully you enjoy watching it. Bye girls, good night!